Let's talk heart to heart on AI. Um, if you feel that AI is the in thing and you're missing it out, and you get enticed with these videos which says that if you don't learn AI, you are doomed, and you get these ads saying that in 9 rupees you will become champions of AI. I have my two bits to it, and I'll talk about, let's say, Copilot and how it is panning out. Microsoft says that Copilot is now the UI for AI. What it really means is AI is going to now replace the buttons, the commands that you see on the interface of a specific software. It does not mean that buttons will go away. It only means that you have now an additional way of communicating with your software. It does not mean that you should not know the software at all. What it means is you may not want to know which button will do a certain thing, or you may not want to go ahead and press it on your own. You may choose to ask AI to do it for you. It may take a few more commands or prompts, so to say, if you are using AI, maybe to get to know if it exists. But again, there is something known as hallucination, which AI may not really know the software well. That's why it is always better for us to know the software well and use AI as an interface, as a user interface of the software. So that's the two bits on it. Then there are many more things about agentic AI. Maybe we'll talk about that in a different video. This is something to think about. This is something to start off with. Don't get scammed by these 9 rupees 1 hour sessions, or I don't know how many hour sessions. I'm not sure even they know what they are talking about. But what they know is if they put X amount of ad spend, they want return on ad spend. Yeah, so there are good peoples out there. If you see their content, there is so much free content on AI these days. You don't really need to get into buying some content before you have seen that they work. So if somebody is saying that, go and attend their 9 rupees paid workshop, it just takes 9 rupees. It's not 9 rupees. Once you are there, they will entice you, and that's the technique. They will entice you, and you may crack up to their schemes. So instead, think of what free content are they providing. If the free content they're providing is valuable enough, then possibly you could repay them by buying their paid software or paid subscriptions or paid courses. Yeah. So stay safe. AI is here. It's just a new way to look at it. So instead of saying the new UI for AI, AI is the new UI. Bye.